Welcome to the Portmore Talent Show. I'm your host, Ramon, and today we'll be interviewing an amazing artist that goes by the name of Big Pop. It's not Biggie Smalls, he didn't come back from the dead, but this is Big Pop, right? The Jamaican version. Well, not of Biggie Smalls, but he's an amazing artist. So we're going to take a quick break, get back, and you'll get to know more about Big Pop.
Pop representing. Turn up, turn up, turn up, girl. Yeah. Turn up, turn up, turn up, turn up, girl. Turn up, turn up, turn up, turn up. Hold on, see that touch. Some girl them a hype and a go on, but the bitter they can't. Cause they know so them ugly buck. And they full of beer talk and they make up half and they ugly like a heel and chuck. Girl say you know so you act and you feel good. And no donkey no bite no werewolf. When a girl come a talk you no be another fuck. And you know so you girl do you done good. Pretty girl turn up, turn up, turn up, turn up, turn up in front of the video like pretty girl turn up, turn up, turn up, turn up, turn up in front of the video like pretty girl turn up, turn up, turn up, turn up, turn up in front of the video like.
Welcome to the Portmore Talent Show, Big Pop Wagon.
Yo, me there will it to say.
All right, so tell the people them, what's your government name?
Government name a recorder ranking, isn't it?
Ricardo Rankin, a top class name that you know.
Eh?
Rankin. All right, so where Mr. Rankin, where you born and where did you grow up?
I born and grew at Spanish Town, Jones Avenue. Is that say? My place, that is it.
Your place.
Jones Avenue.
All right, so which school did you attend?
Yeah, from basic go straight up. You know, I enter my school, my Jones Avenue Basic School, and Spanish Town Primary. Left front desk Ascot High School, isn't it? Yeah, man. College, music.
Music.
I want to which music college? Street.
Ah, so long time you don't know where you want to do in
Long
life.
time.
Long time. All right, so even though you know long time say a music you want to do, was there a specific event or something happened that showed you that hey, some have the talent for the music?
All right. Basically, majority entertainers start off in a church. We know that, so the church is a thing where discover your talent. Is a message? Yeah. So me in a church, I do my thing and we find out say yo, them push me on choir.
Yeah.
But me nobody never can hear me on the choir, because the choir is a one bag of somebody want people so they must sing.
Yeah, so yeah, I deny background.
Yeah, I deny side ground.
Or side ground or foreground.
Yeah. So I deny side ground and thing and basically, I enter one church competition and whole of them enter it and I say, yo, me enter it and nobody never really hear me. And I come third place to the whole church, New Testament church and so. But they start look at me and I say, yo, you can't do your thing, So yeah, man, I always bold with my thing. I say, if I go out there with it, so I made that. I take no for your answer and I'm not shy when I come on to music. So I find out some yo, me always on my game. So I say, top of my game with my thing.
All right. So, which shows have you performed on? Let's say it like this. What's your first show, if you can remember, that you performed on, and how were you received? Other than the church performance.
All right, first show. Let me just say now. All right, so many shows. Me that's the first show. I usually perform Asylum nightclub. A lot like afterward jams and then something that. Me usually perform at them something. But my first big show after that was Taste's Talent. I mean, mash down Taste's Talent. But first we get a big crowd in a crossroad. I say everybody lift up then cheering in the ear and say no, so them boy
cheering in the ear.
Yes, what that's some performance in that.
That means that them not sit down.
Yeah, man, cheer them put in the ear before forward, man. Yes, man.
All right, so do you have any music videos or any recorded performances?
Wally. Remember saying me did the Dirty Landlord, me have a video with that with Vibes Cartel as well too.
Yes.
Dirty Landlord, the cartel said the bus wipe it up the front yard. The house want pay Dirty Landlord. But you want raise rent too hard. I say, call me Dirty Landlord, me no care. I rate me go for collect you think about here. So it's like they video did out, get number one pan Wally pa look at thing Virgin Island, they get number one pan Juice TV, Wally pa things and after that, I did it on the China K label them time, that friends Stone Love and so forth. I did a whole recording in time there. And now I have Pretty Girl Turn Up, I have Days Pan Days, I have Mama, I have Water Running, I have so many songs.
A long catalog.
Holy.
Yes.
Videos, I have Simple Child video, I have Turn Up video, I have Firm and Strong video, I have Time video, I have a whole heap of video.
Yes.
You see me I say?
So which song would you say that you're kind of pushing right now?
The song I'm pushing right now is Water Running.
Water running.
Yeah, Water Running, boy. Is the best the
What
song
what
there.
what
It's like,
genre song is that?
all right, the genre Sunday is like calypso dancehall. So,
Calypso
I want to
dancehall.
say a calypso dancehall. I can't say a calypso
Mm-hmm.
alone because a dancehall me do.
Yeah.
You understand? So once you get a dancehall artist doing a calypso, you have to call it a calypso dancehall
Yeah.
because
So it's
what
somewhat
the
of a
actual person
fusion.
doing it is a dancehall artist.
Mm-hmm.
You understand? Crossing over in a calypso song, so it's a dancehall calypso.
Understand. So are you signed with any manager or a booking agent?
Yeah, I'm signed with lifestyle production right now, new
Lifestyle
management team.
production.
Yeah, that based in Antigua and Florida right now.
Yes.
Road manager them. You have Russian them, Young Mafia, is me I say as well too. You
Mm-hmm.
know, Ghost One Piece. Yeah,
All right. So apart
yeah,
from
that one Ghost. You know?
the talent of doing music, just a little insight. Is there anything else that you'd say you're naturally talented in also?
Yeah, man, top chef,
Top chef.
top chef.
A lot of people come through here, and it seems like
If you're
everybody.
Jamaican, you can't cook. You're not Jamaican.
You're not Jamaican.
Anybody say them a Jamaican and can't cook, them are not Jamaican. Because
Them-
the whole of we grew up in a little ghetto. All who born uptown and sitting, most of a little family were coming in a ghetto and then come in a ghetto and tea for your mother little 2 pound of rice. So then cook it down in a sitting and get one cheese pan and go sub up and make up a little coal fire and start it out and get ackee and get breadfruit loose and leaf and share your food on the breadfruit
Well,
leaf.
a
The
top
whole of we them
class
sitting there.
cooking you
So
talk
we
about
are
right
top
now.
class chef in them sitting there.
You
Anything you
gone
can
for
cook,
banana
we
leaf,
cook that.
All right. So while in the music industry, is there any lessons that you have learned that you'd like to pass on to maybe the upcoming generation?
All right, listen. Wall but you have Wall heap. And but I said to you, man, that's some of them good and some of them bad. Because that is music industry, I want a bad mind, brother.
Yeah.
Yeah, what about bad mind when the envy, what about hypocrite, then smile with you and then know they're not with you. You have to go through that and know that.
Two face.
Two-face. Because I know me get show all overseas already and promoter look for me and me about that landlord and man say, Big Pop, but me don't know him. And I'm on that to the side of my video where I collect money from me and I beg my food every day. And them opportunity they pass me because a man said they know me, they don't forget to me. Enough time that happened to me. You understand? So but I tell you young artists we are company business right now, listen. Just have your A game. I'm gonna tell you this, keep your circle small. And everything you do, you tell people. Secretive sometimes. You look a circle in your management team, do it. When they see it, then see it. If they don't see it, I just so. You know your work, put in your work. You see what I'm saying? And because the man there sing a chopper song and bus, you feel like I sing a chopper song and bus. Be yourself.
Yes.
You see what I'm saying? Because you know this my thing. Me take myself out of the box.
Yeah, different.
You know, you say, oh, you go call it some of them a time, yeah. The business needs some whining.
Yeah,
The
different.
business needs some girl song. You see me I say every day this girl them a white ride for walk and one bag of this and that. Me not say a person song not bad and whatsoever, but right now to the business stay. That we have to care about dancehall, brother. Dancehall gone to the dog, brother. You see me I say? That's the thing there.
Remember
And
when we
this
used
young
to younger?
generation, we have come up when they see some people like say, what do you they see all this? The white people and win Grammy. What do I cause sir? You don't need to cuss, you have put in work.
No
You have
work.
to work for get Grammy.
No work.
Only depend every day say yo, oh, chop this, chop that, can go overseas, go get Grammy. Go back to your roots and culture, brother. Go back to our thing. Dancehall. You know me, dancehall queen. Where you see the girl them a wine and a go on bad. Go back to our thing, our culture. That you want in the music, brother. You see me I say, we don't want no one bag of about chop this and chop that. If you don't want something for chop, brother, go to Coney Park and then place where you see Wally Park, push them out of ferry and go and chop and then sit in there, brother. And load that in the music. We don't want a chopping thing, brother. Dancehall we want back. Jamaica, we Jamaican right now. I mean I said Jamaica because Jamaica can't do it and who live in Jamaica. We Jamaicans right now, we have to stop going like we are idiot too. You see me I say? Them want here, but I tell you how them Jamaican stay. If you come here and say, Jamaica, you know, it's a beautiful island. We love Jamaica. We are one. Stop the crime and violence. Yeah, we are one. Then a man come out and say, yo, hey, girl, drink this with that and take the subject in your mouth and wait. Yo, my brothers, them that want hear nothing. Constructed, they want hear foolishness. A foolishness run Jamaica. A foolishness busting in Jamaica now. So you sit down and write your good lyrics to me, your good song, them and say, yes, all right, then me I try to see if me can, all right, go back to my roots and so, all right, then I say, crime and violence, I mash up my country, so I start singing about it. A man that want ears about crime and violence, I mash up my country. Then want ears, so the man, they go out there, so, rob the boy there, kill the granny there, kill the pitney there, and shoot the one there. And that them want hear. You know, see for yourself, brother, in a ghetto right now, when I done do something, nobody in a black road.
Nobody know.
But when a police go in there, I want to see you when I call the police them, you know. And when the police go in there, I want to see you when I cuss and I say, wait, you want to officer? I want to Then black red pan the police go and beat off the police them. Jamaica gone to the dog, brother, and a time for wise up and start like we are idiots.
So last question, you've been doing music for a while, but I know you're a visionary. How far do you want to, what next level do you want to take your music?
The next level?
Yeah.
All right, me want everybody, you know, every artist wanted anything to international levels. You understand? And things. So, I would say, I don't want to put a limit on my career when I want to go. You understand? I know the aim, I have to aim big, but the big aim is no limit. You understand? So, I always left space for more improvement.
Yes.
Say, because I get a Grammy a morning, I left space to get 2 Grammy. I left for next space to get 3 Grammy. You understand? So I don't put a limit on my music. So I want to go far as Father God can take me, but no limit to it.
All right. So thanks for the insights. Thank you for coming to Portmore Talent Show, Big Pop. It was great to have you.
Hey, Portmore Talent Search. Me tell them a this, one this. Man brave, man circle and watch. Me tell them a this, one this. Man brave, man circle and watch. While them rise, see them mickle and catch. Man just pray and circle and watch. Yeah, me nah do what them a look for. They want me book in the mark, but I stay show me book for. Hey, dirty mind come here look ya. You not like me, and me you want cook for. All right, tell them straight we no want none of that. They want to see me fall, man, I rise to the top. Hey, dirty mind watch it cross is a flop. Because I pepper. All right, things the mama tell me from the past. Never trust no shadow of the dark. While your life like us, so they watch a friend they start round table them attack. Ooh yeah. Company where I don't know fi shuffle. Work for where you want. Every mickle make a muckle. So me have to do the hustle. So me can go for the double. Understand where me ya come from and not trouble me ya trouble. Hungry days we living and no laughing. Mama want we rich and see no coffin. Hungry night me face to think of fasting. Why squad books on me brother you can ask him why. Hey mama don't cry. One day me go make it. Me promise me go set it. No cry and make your blood pressure rise. Hey mama don't cry. And when it will run dry. One day me go make it. Me promise me go set it. No cry and make your blood pressure rise. Yeah. Who feels it knows it. Who feels it knows it. Now stop apply the pressure. Things must get better. Enough office in me pan stretcher. Who feels it knows it. Who feels it knows it. Father God me a ask. No make mama pass. Me want she live the life of a boss. And when it will run dry. One day me go make it. Me promise me go set it. No cry and let your blood pressure rise. Hey mama don't cry. And when the well run dry. One day me go make it. Me promise me go set it. No cry and make your blood pressure rise. Yeah. Things the mama tell me from the past. Never just a shadow of the dark. While your life like us, so they watch you from the start. Round table them attack. Company where I don't know fi shuffle. Work for what you want. Every nickel make a muckle. So me have to do the hustle. So me can go fully double. Understand where me you come from. Big Pop is representing. I for the girl them. Turn up. Every girl on TV right. Watch out. Yeah. What the girl on there? Some girl them hype and a go and go to better than can't. They know so they ugly buck. And they full of beer talk and they make up half and they hug you like a Leland Chuck. Girl, for your nose, so you hot and you stay good. And no donkey, no bite, no werewolf. When a girl come attack, you no pay not a fuck. And your nose, so you hot and you stay good. Pretty girl, turn up, turn up, turn up, turn up, turn up in front of the video light. Pretty girl, turn up, turn up, turn up, turn up, turn up in front of the video light. Pretty girl, turn up, turn up, turn up, turn up, turn up in front of the video light. Me can't tell you something what you are going on, man. Hey, Roshan, hold the fat one day and dagger that. Me no care for a rotted mother that. All the one day we hype up herself and she hug you with a face expression. Oh God, what? Pretty girl just turn that way. Face me come when you come that way. Skin clean, make me come that way. You make me come that way. You make me come that way. Turn up, turn up, turn up, turn up, turn up in front of the video light. Pretty girl, turn up, turn up, turn up, turn up, turn up in front of the pretty girl, turn up, turn up, turn up, turn up, turn up in front of the video light. Pretty girl, you the song girl. Watch you going on? Watch again. Ugly girl, them having no shot. Ever walk at the front, not back, and them out ever fly like a flipping parrot. When you know what we do, girl, like it all the props, girl. Turn up, turn up, turn up, turn up, turn up in front of the video light. Pretty girl, turn up, turn up, turn up, turn up, turn up in front of the video light. Pretty girl, turn up, turn up, turn up, turn up, turn up in front of the video light. Pretty girl, turn up, turn up, turn up, turn up. Hear me, I say, man. Some girl them a hype and a go on, but they better them, 'cause they know say they ugly. And they full of beer talk and they make up half of the ugly like a Leland. Girl, for your nose, so you hot and you stay good. No donkey, no bite, no werewolf. When a girl come a dog, you no beer that. 'Cause your nose, so you hot and they stay good. Pretty girl, turn up, turn up, turn up, turn up, turn up. Wow! That's it! Lifestyle, big up yourself. All of the girls are ready for carnival. Watch again. Come little closer. Come a little closer. Come little closer. What the girl them there? My girl, just jump up on this spot, wind up on it. Let me jump on you, then the water. I love when you. Every girl, go sir. Hot and all of them take the compliment. Let me wind on you, then the water. Move, somebody get up on the sir. Everybody, watch out. Just put your waistline on repeat and show your friend them go for do it. You put a big like a chuck, you till for do it. And this a dancer, I run the street. Me love how you hot, me love how you, me love how you wind up bumper, girl. Love how you. Everybody, watch your girl now. Girl, just jump up on them and wind up on him. When you come for girl, wind professional, make me see again. Wow! Well, shout out with the girl now. On this one, wind up all it. Make me wine for you, then the water. This is for you know say energy, go sir. Everybody! The water way. You know what the girl do? Watch your mouth, you know. All I want to do is jump up and wipe and push back for me, girl, push back for me. All I really want is you want the next to me, girl, push back for me, push back for me. Jump up on them and wind up on the girl, wind up. Tell me when you come for girl, wipe your shoes. Everybody, what? The water running. Voila! Yo!